the fastest way to get your static website live globally. I will show you today how to do it directly from your console, no server management or complex setup. Here's the problem. You've built a static website, maybe portfolio, documentations, or landing page. In my case, I built a mini game. It is sitting in a GitHub repo. You want it live, fast, and everywhere. But traditional hosting, either it's slow or you are paying for a resource you don't need. Some platforms are easy, but it gets expensive in time. Other could be cheap, but it's too complicated. What if you could get global distribution, zero server management, and a simple deploy process? That's where Azion comes in. Azion is a web platform. Your website gets deployed across global network so users everywhere can get fast load times. And you can deploy in two ways: through the console with GitHub integration, or in your terminal with the Azion CLI. No servers, no Dockers, no YAML pipelines. Let me show you. I will use this repo today. This is a simple snake game that I built with a little help from LLMs. And today I will cover how you can deploy using the CLI. So this is my project. If I go here like this, I can show you how it works on my local environment. This is a simple game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, first you need to install the CLI. The link with all the instruction and the documentation page is in the description and also in the pinned comment. I've already have this installed here on my local environment. You can see this is the version I'm running here. You can run this command and this will guide you through a process so you can authenticate your account in your CLI. In my case, I've already have this done. To check if your authentication process is done, you can run this command, Azion, who am I, and it will show you the account he is connected on. Now navigate to your project folder. This is my project folder. You can see I have this www folder with all my files, but this is my repo root. And then you need to run Azion link. The CLI will make some question to you like this, and you just need to roll the whole process and waiting so the deployment is done. Like this question is asking which preset I'm using. I can select multiple frameworks here, but I'm using just HTML. I select here HTML. If I want to have GitHub Actions, no, I don't want for this project. It will generate some configuration files. Okay, go ahead. And do you want to install project dependencies? Yes. My project is ready. You can make sure if your project is ready if you see these two items, the Azion folder and Azion config file. And I can show to you here. Here is the configuration. Now run Azion deploy, and I like to put two flags here, local and debug. So local means I will create the bundle here on my local environment and send all the files ready to be served to Azion platform. And debug means I want to see the bug logs. The CLI now will build the project, create the bundle, send it to the Azion Web Platform, and then I will get a URL so I can access my website. Let's wait for the CLI to do the work. It's done, the CLI just finished, and I get my URL here. And now we can check our game live on a global network on Azion Web Platform. Let's see. When I go to the URL I got this message. There is nothing here yet. Don't be scared. It means that Azion is still propagating all the files from your website so we can get globally live ready in a few minutes. Just wait for a few minutes and your website is done. And then after a few minutes waiting for Azion platform to propagate all my content, my game is live. You can check this URL and play yourself too. Like space and using the arrows to play. Oh, a few tips before you go. For static websites with client-side routing like React, Vue, Next, you need to select your correct preset so Azion Platform can handle the navigation correctly. We support almost every front-end framework. No more excuses for you. If you have a static website, you can follow these steps to get your website deployed. Now that your website is live, you can add more configuration like cache, custom domains, WAF, serverless functions, but this is a content for a different video. If you want to try this yourself, and I think you should, you can create your free Azion account right now. Links in the description and pinned in the first comment. No credit card required to start. Actually, you get $300 in credit to use as you want. Spin up a project, deploy it, and let me know. I love to see your projects. If this video was helpful, please hit subscribe. Drop a comment if you want me to cover custom domain, serverless functions, or anything else on Azion. Thanks for watching, and now go ship something.